I'ma drown in the liquor again. Hello, everyone. Hopefully, everyone's doing good. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hopefully, we can do good this backtesting stream. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. No trades today. You know, I was chilling. Like, no trades today. You know, I'm just chilling. Chilled the whole day. Slept in. Kind of relaxed today. Some people traded today, which is fucking crazy and diabolical. Like, why are you trading today? Like, I don't get it. Just because it's like, bro, just like, leave the charts alone for a little bit, bro. Please. Nah. I wouldn't. I couldn't do that to myself, G. But let me start. Let me set everything up real quick. Oh, that would have been bad. Did you finally learn a model, bro? Bro, I'm trying, bro. I'm literally trying to learn a model, bro. Like, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing, and like, I just need like the guidance in the right direction, sir. All right, so I have a model. I just like the bias just sucks. Like the bias is not consistent, to be honest with you. No, I'm sticking with KWT. Don't get me wrong. I'm sticking with KWT. I just can't find bias, bro. Like, bias is just like destroying my insides, bro. Inshallah, bro. Inshallah. Alright, basically I'll go on the daily chart. I do the power of 3, right? So I'm looking here. I'm like, okay, look. Are we respecting bullish order flow or bearish order flow? Like, are we closing below or above order blocks? So right now I'll just wait for this candle to close. So if you look here, we are respecting bullish order flow. Why? We're closing above order blocks here and disrespecting this original order block. So right now I'm bullish bias going into the day because we are like bullish. So I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for an order block, etc. So let's see what happens. We have a bullish order block here on the 15-minute time chart. All my life. So inside of this 15-minute order block is a 5-minute order block, which was right here. This is my entry. But I'll look for KWT also, just in case we don't get it. We are tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. We have a sweep of liquidity, 30-second. Let's go 50-second real quick. I don't like it, actually. I would just wait here. Where have you been? Well, this is a choppy day. Like, order flow is still bullish to me. Wow, look at this, bro. We come down, tap this bullish order block, and not even consequent encroachment. And, bro, we push up, bro. Bro, I need fucking help, bro. Bro, I can't, bro. Alright, let me lock in. Alright, go on the daily. Go on the. Go here. Are we bullish or bearish? Are we rejecting bullish order blocks or are we rejecting bearish order blocks? So right here, the most current thing that's done. Be more active in the Baka server, bro. Everyone's like gone in the Baka server, bro. Everyone's gone. Nobody's here. Might have to disable. Might have to disable on one of your microphone. Hold up. Perhaps. I didn't know. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's on me. That's on me, chat. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. No. What's up, Paytix? Just like, bro, I can't fucking find order like the model like is not. I'm not scared of the model. The model is going to show. Like, bro, so like I'll go here. Like, are we rejecting bullish or bearish order flow, bro? Are we bullish or bearish order flow? Like right here, I mean, technically we just engulfed this candle, so technically we could be bearish. So I'm looking for shorts. Because like if we're bullish, we should be rejecting off bullish order blocks. But right now we're in a bearish order block. Jump into 15. This is our order block, right? So 7 o'clock. So right here, it's on 5. We'll have this order block here. I'll go ahead, entry here. This lines perfectly. Are you fuck? No way. Hold on. Let's see if we still get it though. Oh my god, we got a stop loss, bro. Sorry, I don't mean to yell so loud, bro. Like, would have got stopped out here, bro. Like, bro. Like, okay, I'll mark out, bro, listen. I'll mark out the opening price of today's counter, right? And I'll look on the hourly chart. Are we respecting bullish or bearish order flow? Currently, we are rejecting bullish order flow, right? So we're engulfing bullish price action, or we're bearish engulfing candles here. So right now, I'll wait here. Okay, so right now we're bearish order flow. I'm looking for bearish price action, right? Go on the 15-minute chart. I'll go on the hourly chart. Oh, what do we have? We have an order block here. So now, wait, hold up. So now this is we have a nice order block here. This will be my entry here. I'll just go ahead and enter here. Are you serious, bro? Okay, so right here, we have a bearish 15-minute fair value gap. I mean, you could say, oh, fair value gap here, etc. But, okay. What, bro? Back up to my entry. Okay, so we get tagged, right? Right? Oh, perfect. This is perfect. This is a perfect example, right? So look at this. We have a bearish order block. We're bearish order flow. Bearish order block. Come down to 15. We have a bearish order block here also. We top tick this entry. Boom. Look at that. We have like our inversions. Retracement. Inversion. You can go break even here. There we go. That's how we fucking do it. Guys. See, look. There we go. Top tick. Literally top tick. What do you guys think? But then like, every time I do it, like on the actual chart, it's like, I'm cooked. I'm cooked every time. Like, if I'm bearish, like, I've not gotten a payout yet, bro. Unfortunately. Look at that. We ended up top ticking this and then going lower. That's the best part. That's the best part, bro. I'm not even capping. Cool, you shouldn't be trying to consistently top and bottom tick, though. It's just like, I want to, bro. I want to get better. Like, I just don't know when it's going to... I don't know when I'm going to go break even. Like, go on the hourly chart here again. If you ever leave me, baby. Wait, let's go again. Alright. So, like, right here, we'll mark out the opening candle price here, right? So then, like, are we bullish or bearish order flow? Are we bullish or bearish order flow, chat? Right now, we are bearish order flow, right? Why? because we are closing below down. We're closing below up close candle, so we have an order block here. So right now I'm bearish bias going into the day. What do we have? A bearish order block here. Go on the 15-minute. What do we have? Another bearish order. Go on the... I don't like it. So right now I'm bearish, right? So we could honestly just counter encouragement this. But on the hourly chart, like, probably gonna do this. Wow. Wow. Like, my bias was right there. Okay, so look at this. Perfect. This is a nice bearish order block. Go on the 5-minute. We have a bearish order block here. We're refining our entries, bro. It tapped in the 15-minute order block. Well, how do we know it's going to be a 15-minute order block vice versa the fucking hourly order block, bro? Ray. For my Discord challenge, we should try to get Coop out, bro. I would do it. I need a payout, bro. I need a payout before February, bro, because I'm going to Miami, bro, and like, bro, everyone there is just rich, and like, I can't be there looking poor. Genuinely, I literally cannot be looking there. I cannot be looking poor while I'm there. Your daddy couldn't even look me in the eyes. Ooh. The thing is, like, I'm very close. Like, I just need like 4.2k to get a payout, which is so doable, bro. I have a 60% hit rate, bro. What do you guys think? Long and cute, bro. Crap. Stop, bro. Stop. Yeah. I'll really long. I'll long in queue right now, bro. Don't do this. Like, bro, I saw Crab's thing and it said like guaranteed profitability, bro. Do I join it? That's the real question. Guaranteed? Bro, don't say that, bro. Guaranteed is crazy. Cause it's tempting me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Cause it's tempting me. What are your size? What's your sizing? Sizing is like, I need a size. No, I won really big one of my trades. That's why I won really big one of my trades. So bro, how you still broke? I am broke, bro. Yes, crap, legend. All right, bro. So like, I'll go on the hourly chart, right? I'll mark out the 1800 open, right? So I'm looking at the hourly candles. Like, are we respecting bullish or bearish order flow? Locking with Waz model, bro. Waz, bro. I don't even talk to him, man. He's a G though, bro. He's catching good trades, man. Okay, so I'll go on the hourly chart, mark out. Okay, I'll mark out 1800 open. So are we bullish or bearish? Are we respecting bullish order flow or bearish order flow? So as you can tell, we are engulfing bearish order blocks. Or we are engulfing bullish order blocks. So boom. We are bullish order flow. I'm bullish price action. So now, like right here, technically, I'm going to mark out. I mean, this has more body, so I'm going to use the body here. So now, I'm bullish order flow. I'm going the. This is my hourly order block. Go on the 15-minute order block, or go on the 15 time frame. What do we have? We have a bearish order block here. So this could be a buy order here. Let's see what happens though. Okay, but we could also do the KWT here, right? We have a 15-minute fair value gap. We can go on the 5-minute. We have a sweep here. If you walk away, it will rain. Like, we have a CISD here. Like, I'll go ahead and give this a try. And take out like 50. Like this like it worked good here. Like the KWT, like I can see KWT. Are you in Wicked though? In Wicked. The Discord, the black guy's Discord server. Wicked. Is that him? Wickmonger. Oh, that's Wickmonger. Wicked goated. I don't know if I am or not. I don't think I am. Like I can see KWT pretty clearly, But I'm just not consistent with it, man. That's all that is. Like, I can't, like right here, this is perfect, right? We have a higher time frame gap, which is the 15-minute fair value gap. I'm bullish order flow. Drop it down to the 5-minute. What do we have? We have a bullish order block. So right here, this, honestly, longs here look fire, bro. I'm not even lying. Longs here look fire. Stop loss here. Why is this long look fire? We have a 15-minute fair value gap. I'll drop it into the 5-minute. We have a 5-minute bullish order block, right? We don't take out the low, but we engulf it pretty nicely here. This is my bullish order block. We can literally long here. Stop loss at this low. And guess what? This has more wick than body, so you can mark out here. Shout out to Zay. Boom. You can literally enter our CE of this wick or this order block. And I just enter off the order block. And guess what? Boom! Like that! Like, how, is it that hard to be fucking profitable, bro? Is it that hard to be profitable? Genuinely. Is it that hard to be profitable? Don't just say goodbye. Like, is it that hard to be profitable, bro? Shirt goes hard. So that's what I'm saying. Lucky trading shirt, bro. My best friend got this for me. Lucky trading shirt, bro. I think I'm gonna need to wear it tomorrow, bro, in order to like be profitable or win tomorrow. No cap. All right, we could just take profit here, honestly. Okay, next day. I just don't know when to go break even, bro. Why are you marking out the candle with the huge wick and small body? Bro, cause like, so right here, cause like, that's a great question. That's a great question for your boy, right? So, cause thing is like, this is technically my order block, right? This is technically my order block, but there's more wick than body. There's more wick than body, so I just mark out the whole thing. We'll break even next internal high. All right, got you. Next internal. I got you. All right, go on the hourly chart. Mark out the opening candle price action here. All right, so are we respecting bullish or bearish order flow? Right now, we are closing above bearish candles. Closing above bearish candles. So therefore, most likely, we're going to be bullish bias. Bullish bias going into the day. So right now, I'm bullish. So let's look a price action here. What do we have? We're waiting here. Okay, perfect. Oh, wait. Okay, perfect. Now, this is technically our order block here. Since this has more wick, since this has more body than wick, we can mark out the body here. On the 15. Drop it down to the 5-minute. Let's look for a refined entry here. We can go on the 15. Nothing here looks clean, I'm not gonna lie. So we could just like have it enter here. But right now we just wait. So right here, we have a 15-minute fair value gap. I'm bullish order flow, 15-minute fair value gap. 15 minutes, my higher time frame. Go on the 5-minute. What do we have here? Potential. I don't like this because we already took out both sides of the range. Okay, so we come down, take out this low. Go on the 30-second. What do we have? I'm waiting for a CISD right here, low key. If you walk away, every day it will rain, rain, rain. All right, what do we have here? We have a 15-minute fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap. We're still bullish order flow. 15-minute fair value gap. Drop it onto the 5-minute. We have a 5-minute CRT. Drop it onto the 15-second. We have an order block here. Nice engulfing candle. Nice. And I'm looking to ride it. So next internal high. Like we can go break even at this high here. Perfect. Break even. Nice, coup. Nice, coup. All right, we could take out profits at this high if we want. There we go. Nice, coup. Let's go. Why are you entering for the CIC? That's a great question. Great question. Great question. No, perfect. That's a great question. So why am I entering before the CISD? How do I know that price action is not going to run back to my stop without a CISD, right? So going here, we have, so right here, we have a bearish engulfing We have a bullish engulfing candle. A bullish engulfing candle here. That gives me already like high confirmation. High confirmation that we don't need a CISD here. Like, yes, you could be safe and be like, okay, CISD here, target this high, we enter up here. Like, yeah, you could do that. But this first candle is our order block. Why? Because first of all, we closed above it within the next candle, which is high confirmation. And second, we never took out this low here. So technically, with the candle theory, this low should have been taken out, but we didn't take it out. We ended up engulfing it perfectly after the CRT, and that was pretty much it. Bro, engulfing candle is like engulfing candles are so good, bro. Like I'm starting to use it more often, and like sure, like technically we did inverse here, like we did go lower, but that's shit. I mean it's nothing. Like we cut the longs, so it's fine. We cut the longs, and that's fine. Can you engulf me, bro? Motherfucker, I can get engulfed. Bro, I'll go like bro. You have an intramon, it needs to be consistent. So I'm saying, yes, it has to be consistent. Correct. Absolutely correct. Let's go here. Are we respecting bullish or bearish order flow right now? Currently, we are respecting bullish order flow, right? Why? We're engulfing candles. We have a bullish engulfing candle here, bullish engulfing candle here. That gives me high confidence that price action is bullish and we are going to be looking for longs. So I'm bullish bias going into the day, right? So now I go on the 15-minute chart. I am not considering this as my order block because it doesn't tap into anything higher time frame wise. So I'm bullish I'm bullish though. So let's see what happens here. We're going up, which is good, which is really good. Okay, we're not getting an entry here, unfortunately. Okay, so perfect. This is fine. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here. It's a tiny little 15-minute fair value gap right here. Drop it down to the 5-minute. Look at that. What do we have? We have a CRT here. Go on the lower time frame. Look at 30-second. Look at that. We have a CISD here, which is good. A CISD here. If we go on the 50-second, we have an order block here, which is good. But yeah, overall, CISD, bullish fair value gap. This looks good. Longs here. Longs here look good. Stop loss to this low. We can target the next internal high. So this is the entry here. Stop loss at this low. And then I'm looking to target, obviously, higher prices. But this is like what I want to see. Now, we can target this high that we're looking to target here. Okay, perfect. Stop loss, break even. And target this high. There we go. There we go! Holy crap. Perhaps we might have found the cheat code. What's your strategy? KWT or high time frame order block. So like right here. I just want to flex on you guys real quick. I just want to flex really quick and show you guys the winning percent rate just so I can flex on you guys real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me show you guys the summary. Let's see. 83% hit rate. And I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 trades. 6 trades and 83% hit rate. 83% hit rate, chat. 83% hit rate. Please, let me come over and play the door, bro. Low key. I definitely need someone to paint my door, bro. Genuinely. You did mentoring. Yeah, bro. It's $100 a month, bro. KWT, it's a coup wick theory. It's just wick theory, but I just put coup in front of it. It's literally wick theory. I just put coup in front of it. Or someone gave me that name. I don't take credit for it, but someone gave me that name, and I was like, hey, fuck it, coup wick theory. Who the fuck is getting mentored for $100 by coup, bro? I'll give you the best mentoring advice, bro. Nah, Adrian, I don't sell the mentorship. I was just joking. All right, so right here, same thing. Are we currently respecting or are we currently rejecting? I pay you $100 not to bro. I will mentor you, bro. Can you give me the 100? Actually, I'm poor. Maybe that $100 can go to painting that door, though. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's go again. All right, basically, are we rejecting? Are we bullish or bearish order flow? Currently, we could engulf this. We could engulf this candle here. We could engulf it, right? We could engulf this candle here, which could give us bearish or bullish order flow. So right now, I'm just gonna wait. So technically, we did engulf this candle here. If you look here, we engulf this candle. Technically, this is our order block. But I would just wait here. I'm bullish bias, it seems like. Bullish bias may look nice here. Wait, let me go back to this candle here. Let me see if we can get an entry. Holy shit, my thing's frozen. Holy LARP. What time zones do you trade? I trade a New York session. New York session. Every trade that I'm taking is New York session. All right, so we go here, right? We have a 15-minute low. Go on the 5-minute. What do we have here? We have a potential CRT here, right? A potential CRT, right? We have a 5-minute low, or we have a 5-minute CRT times with a 15-minute low. So now I go on the 30-second, potentially go on the 15-second. What do we have? Technically, we have an order block here, which could look nice. I mean, we could just go ahead and long here. Stop loss this low. Perfect. Perfect. This is good. Nice. We have a 1-minute order block here also. This is good. This is really good actually. Price should respect this order block and go higher. Go on the 5-minute. We completed this CRT here, so we can just go break it. We could just go like take it off here. Perfect. A nice little trade here. Nice little trade here. Stop loss at this low and target at this high. Nice little trade here. Why are you skipping the 1-minute? Because the only reason why I'm skipping the 1-minute is because wait, what do you mean I'm skipping the 1-minute? Wait, why are you skipping the 1-minute? I'm not skipping the 1-minute. No, I'm just going at increments, if that makes sense. Because if I'm using the 5-minute, I want to use like the 30-second or 15-second. No. So like if I'm using the 5-minute time frame alignment, I usually go on the 15-second or the 30-second. But if the 1-minute shows up nicely also, then that would also be perfect. Does that make sense? All right, so let's go on the let's go on the hourly chart again. So are we rejecting? Are we okay? So I asked my question: are we respecting bullish or bearish order flow? We are respecting bullish order flow, right? Why? We are currently closing above bearish candles, so that gives me complications, or that gives me ideas that price action is going to be bullish. So now, if I'm bullish bias, what am I looking for? I'm looking for bearish order blocks or bullish order blocks that take a liquidity or tag a high time frame, or 15-minute fair value gaps. So right now I'm waiting here. I'm waiting. Like this order block, I mean, this could work. But guess what? We could take out this high and engulf this bearish order block here and give us this bearish order flow. So right now we could just wait here. Okay, perfect. This is good. This is literally perfect. This is exactly what I want to see. All right, perfect. I was a bit not nervous, but a bit like cautious, right? Guess what? We just bearish order block this here. So that gives me ideas that we're going to go lower prices, right? That gives me ideas that we're going to go bearish prices. So I'm looking for bearish order flow, right? Where's my order block on the 15-minute? We have a 15-minute order block here. On the 5-minute, we have, I mean, we can go 3-minute. We have a 3-minute order block here. which we could enter here if we want. So right now I'm bearish bias, but right now we just have to wait and see. I want to see price come back up to that order block. That would be nice. It'll line up with the rejection block here also. All right, perfect. Oh, no, we don't. We never take out this high, unfortunately. So bearish price action is playing out, which is like what I wanted, which is like a good sign. That means the bias was right. But guess what? We have a 15-minute fair value gap here. On the 5-minute, do we have a 5-minute like CRT, 15-second, or anything like that? So 5-minute here, we sweep here. Do we have a 15-second CISD or anything? I don't like this. Like okay, so right here, we're in a 15-minute fair value gap, drop down to the 5-minute, or drop down to the 30-second or 15-second, doesn't matter. Whatever you see, whatever looks the cleanest. We have a 15-second order block here. 30-second. We could wait for a 30-second CISD, but I'll give this a small stab. Stop loss at this high. Okay, we get stopped out, unfortunately. Stopped out. Let's go again. 5-second here. Or not 5-second, 15-second. This has potential to go lower still. I don't like it. Okay, this looks good actually now. This looks really good. This looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and enter here. Alright, we get tagged at this 5-minute order block. Why is this a good order block, right? Why is this a good order block? My bias is bearish. I'm looking for bearish price action. My bias is bearish. We have a 15-minute fair value gap. Drop it down to the 5-minute. This was supposed to be a continuation, like CRT wise, this is supposed to be a continuation candle to this high, right? We closed above the previous daily, we closed above the previous candle. This is supposed to be our draw liquidity, but we never take that out. We engulf the candle, making this our order block, and this is why I'm entering. So let's see what happens here. Getting tagged in. I'll look to take I'll look to go break even at these lows here. Okay, perfect. Low, break even. Now, where could we target? I mean, this is technically our external range on the low. This is technically our external range here. This is technically our external range here, man. So, like, we could just, like, trail here. But my target would be like this 5-minute low or something. But we have SMT here now. We have SMT at these lows now. But we shall see what happens here. We could get stopped out. There we go. All right, perfect. Perfect fucking trade. Perfect fucking trade, chat. That's it. Guys, do we escape the matrix now? Do we start getting an apartment in Miami or what? What's going on? Dude, if I get a payout in January, I think, because like I am going to Miami in 2 weeks. I'm going to Miami on the 1st of February. I'm going to Miami on the 1st of February. And if I end up getting a payout, I'll stay in Miami for like a month. For like a month. See how it is. For like a month. Because why not? What is this, bro? I mean dead ass. I mean dead ass too, bro. If I get a payout by the end of the month, if I get a payout, I'll stay in Miami for like a month. What is there to even do there, bro? There's so many people. Like Will lives there, Dodgy lives there, Crab lives there, Crab Trades lives there. Like so many like day trading people that live there, and I want to be a LARP. I'll be a LARP too. Let me drink my water, bro. Go meet up with Kim, dude. Me and Kim, we had something planned. I'm not even kidding. We had something planned. I was gonna go to Oregon this month. But I guess he kind of bailed out on me, which is fine. I get it. But then he texted me, or he didn't. Well, I told him to come to Miami in February, and he said, I think he's like, because Zay told me that they have a whole new Discord group with like people who are like genuinely trying to learn, which is completely agreeable. I completely understand, and he's been like helping other people try to become profitable. And like once like you guys get a payout, like Joseph, I think you, Waz, and somebody else or some other people are once you guys get a payout, then like we'll meet up or something. That's what he told me. But I'm not in that one. Waz got us today. W Waz in the chat, actually. It's my water, bro. I drink a lot of water, man. W Waz, actually, he came a long way, bro. All right, let's go again. Let's go on the daily chart. Let's go on the hourly chart. Mark our 1800 open. We are currently respecting bearish order flow, right? We're closing down closed we're closing up closed candles. So that gives me an idea that we're going to be bearish here. But guess what? This hourly candle closes. The hourly candle closes here, right? So that gives me an idea that bearish order flow is not going to be valid anymore. I'm looking for bullish order flow. So I'm looking for bullish price action here. Now, what do we have? We have this order block plus rejection block. Go on the 15 minute, go on the 5 minute. What do we have here? We have a nice clean. It's not really clean. We have a nice clean order block here in the 3 minute. I just low-key suck at refining shit. Like, we have an hourly order block here, plus a rejection block. Go on the 15 minute. This is basically our order block on the 15 minute. We could literally just have enter here. But we shall see. Oh, fuck. I went too fast. All right, perfect. This is good. We have 15 minute fair value gap here. Go on the 5 minute. What do we have? Oh, I went way too fast, bro. I went way too fucking fast. All right, we tapped the 15 minute fair value gap. What do we have? A 15 minute or 5 minute CRT here. Go on the 30 second. What do we have? Oh my god, if this will play out, bro. Can this play out? Bro, this thing takes forever. Average ICT trader. Shut your bubble gum, bro. It's okay, bro. There's nothing wrong with ICT concepts, man. Why is everyone always hating on ICT concepts, bro? It's okay. Like, bro, you'll be fine, bro. You'll be fine, bro. On the 1 minute. All right, perfect. This 1 minute is about to close bullish, right? So that gives me an idea that this low is protected. I'll just have to find an entry here somewhere. All right, looks like we don't get an entry, unfortunately. I mean, you could have entered off the CISD here. This 15-minute 50-second CISD here. Let's see what happens. We have 15-minute rejection block. I'll go and enter here. Let's let this low. Because I'm anticipating this to hold. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we have a 15-minute... This right here, I'm anticipating this to hold. because we are bullish order flow. We have a 15-minute rejection block here, plus a 5-minute rejection block, plus a 5-minute order block. This should hold, and for us to go potentially higher here. There we go. We could go break even now, since this got taken out. Break even. We should be chilling here. And let's target this next internal high up here. So now this is the trade idea. Break even now. Got filled here. There we go. Perfect. W. Bro, we don't do mech models here, chat. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Maybe you should wish him more. Does ICT work? I think it works for the right person. It's just, dude, it literally all it is, bro, is discretion. It comes off with discretion too. How much do you make off affiliates? I don't make that much, bro. I'm poor. As you can tell, my lights are flickering because I'm poor, bro. Not enough money to pay the electricity bill. Where did you learn wick theory? Where did I learn wick theory? I learned it from a friend. His name was Kim. People who hate on ICT be the same people who trade ZZ's supply and demand. Hey, ZZ's supply and demand isn't bad. I mean, he's profitable. It's all discretion. It's all discretion. Could you explain what your strategy now and look for example? Yeah, of course. Let's do it. Let's go to a different one. Thoughts on the mech model? I've never done the mech model. So I have two different strategies, right? I either would enter off a micronized order block, like I would like go use a higher time frame order block and then like go to lower time frame, find another order block, or I would do the KWT or Kuwick theory. Yes, Zay, I'm taking W's, bro. Hold on, let me show you guys. Let me show them the fucking statistics real quick. 81% hit rate over like 15 trades, but I feel like I'm getting lucky, so we'll have to keep going. Honestly, let me show you guys. Let me show you an example. So basically, I go on the hourly chart. I mark out my 1800 open really quick. So it looks like we had news on this. It looks like we had news on this day, so this might not work, but we shall see. So basically, I go on the hourly chart, right? And I'm looking, are we respecting bullish or bearish order flow? Are we respecting bullish or bearish order flow? Now, looking here, we're disrespecting bullish order flow. Why? Because we had this big dump, and we're closing below up close candles. So my bias is bearish, right? So my bias is bearish, and yeah, so now I go on the 15-minute chart. I'm looking for 15-minute. I'm looking for a high time frame gap or 15-minute order block, right? So, and that order block needs to tap liquidity or a fair value gap. So right here, I'm bearish bias, bearish order flow, and I'm looking for fair value gaps, right? So right now we just wait. So here, guess what? This is perfect. This is a perfect example. So right now, my bias is playing out so far. Look at that. We tap a 15-minute order block pre-open New York, right? We tap a 15-minute order block, or we tap a 15-minute fair value gap. We have a bearish order block here. Since this has more body than wick, then I'm using the bodies. Shout out to Zay for that, right? Now, this is my 15-minute order block. So I'm either waiting for price action to come back up to that 15-minute order block, or using the 15-minute fair value gap. So inside of this 15-minute order block should be like a 5-minute order block nested inside. There should be some sort of order block nested inside of that area. So I guess we have 1-minute order. We have a 2-minute order block here. We have a 2-minute order block here. What else do we have? Go on the 5-minute. I mean, we have a 5-minute order block here. So everything is lining up here. This is a good area for price to come back down, or if price to come up to and then go lower. So right now, I don't know if this is going to get hit or not. So right now, I just wait. So we're obviously going lower. We could either come back up to this 15-minute fair value gap, reject off of that. But I'll go ahead and place a limit here. So right now we're tapping this 15-minute fair value gap, drop it down to the 5-minute, right? Drop it down to the 5-minute. 5-minute comes up, sweeps out this high, right? So this is where the coup wick theory comes into play, right? I'm just using it on a lower time frame. So my high time frame PD rate is my 15-minute fair value gap. Drop it down to the 5-minute. We have a 5-minute potential CRT here. I drop down to the lower time frame. What's up? All right, close the door. I gotta do something, okay? Okay, bye. All right, so basically, on the 5-minute, we have a 5-minute potential CRT. 15-second. So if we're using 5-minute PD arrays, we need to have a 15-second or 30-second, like CIZ or an order block, right? So guess what? What do we have? This 15-minute or this 5-minute. This is the last 5-minute CRT high. We come up, close the door. We have a order block here. This is our order block. So this could work out. I'm kind of giving this a stab. So technically this order block should hold. This order block here should hold. Okay. Okay, we got stopped out. We got stopped out here, unfortunately, right? Maybe that was a bit early. Let's see. Wow, that was a bit early. Go ahead and enter here again. Holy shit, there's no way. Okay, hold up. Okay, we'll come back up to my entry here. Perfect. Right? It looks like we disrespected this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, right? Sure, I'll let it slide, right? So I'll let it slide. All right, I'll let it slide. Okay, so right now we're coming up to this 15-minute order block. My bias is still bearish, right? My bias is still bearish. It looks like we're still rejecting off of bearish order flow. We have a 15-minute order block. My level was here marked out, 15-minute CE, etc. All this extra stuff, right? So now we got tagged. Let's see what happens. Fuck! Oh my gosh! Oh! Dude, it works! You should backtest on Tradezella? Bro, I haven't tried Tradezella. Houston? Bro, it's not time, bro. I'm just getting cooked. Like, we could just get a... We literally could just, like... order block this. And go higher. Okay, so, okay, perfect. This is a good example, right? We just order blocked this candle here. So this makes it our bullish order block. So price action is probably going to be bullish, right? Price action is probably going to be bullish here, unfortunately. What makes it an order block? It makes it has to tap into a high time frame gap, or it has to tap into a high time frame fair value gap, or highs and lows. So it looks like we're probably going to be bullish here. All right, perfect. This is good. So we have a 15-minute fair value gap. Drop it into the 5-minute. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? We have a low here. Let's go on 30-second. Let's see. Let's go on the 1 real quick. All right, we can enter off here. Right, the lower time frame didn't give us a confirmation, but the 1 minute did. So the 1 minute, we just engulfed this candle here. So technically, this is good. This is good. This is really good. 15-minute is my higher time frame gap. Drop it down to the 5-minute. We have a CRT low here. We end up getting closure above. This is good. Are you fucking... No way, bro. No way, bro. We end up going higher too. Oh my gosh, bro, the strategy works. It literally just stopped me out by a few ticks. Oh my gosh, man. All right, this should be fine here. Oh, all right, bro. I gotta chill. I'm over trading. Let's see what happens here, though. Kind of, bro. Are you serious? Are you serious right now, bro? Bro, I just got manipulated like 3-4 times, bro. I'm not even capping. The bias was correct, bro. We ended up going back longs, and the bias was correct. And bro, I mean, I can't account for those, bro. I can't account for those trades, like, bro, that was just unfortunate as frick, man. Bro, it was fucking bullish. I looked for longs and I still got stopped out. We just like kind of chopped here, bro. Like this technically should have been the entry. I mean, I did enter here. I just got stopped out, bro. Unfortunately, bro. Unfucking fortunately, bro. Catch the low time frame reversal along with the high time frame trend. Yeah, so the trend was bullish, right? The trend was bullish, but I just got stopped out like twice here. Even though this gap did hold, I just got stopped out twice. I mean, you can't really account for those, bro. The win rate is like probably like 70% now. I'm not gonna lie. 50. Oh my gosh, bro. I took 2 losses and it gave me 56% hit rate, bro. 2 losses. Or wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 7 losses, bro. 7 losses, bro. I took 7 losses total. Alright, let's go again, bro. Mark at the low, or mark at the 1800 open. We are currently respecting bullish order flow. Respecting bullish order flow here. So my bias is longs. My bias is longs, okay? So I'm going to the 15-minute chart. I'm looking. What do we have here? Potential CRT here. Go to 2-minute. All right, this is a good rejection block. I would buy this rejection block, stop loss at this low, and target obviously higher prices. Or we have a 15-minute high up here that we could target. There we go. So my bias was bullish. We have a 15-minute rejection block. Why was this rejection block good? Why was this rejection block good, Q? If we go here, we have a 15-minute CRT here. Waiting for the manipulation to end, etc. We have a 2-minute order block. You have a 2-minute order block here. And then, yeah, rest is history, bro. Rest is fucking history. Enter off the order block. We have on the 1 minute. We have a 1-minute order block here also. And the rest is history, chat. That's pretty much it. For what you marked that one line, this line right here. Basically, this is a CRT candle, right? So you just have to like look into CRT, but this is basically a CRT candle. If we sweep out the low of the previous candle, then most likely we are going to go the opposite direction. But if we close, then we're probably going to take out the first line that you always draw. Oh, wait, the order block? Are we talking about this one? Oh, 1800. Oh, my bad. So basically this line, the first line that I draw is basically the 1800 open. So that is basically when the new daily candle opens. That's when like the new, so you know like market is open from 1800 to 1400, or not 1400, like 1600. it's closed for an hour, right? So basically, I mark at the 1800, which is the new daily candle, which is this candle right here. It's the new open. Let's go again. Oh fuck, I messed up. So go on the hourly chart here. Mark out the 1800 open. Oh wait, let me mark it. Let me refix this. Mark out the 1800 open. So just looking at this candle here, let's look at this price action. Are we respecting bullish or bearish order flow? We are respecting bearish order flow, right? Because we're closing below a closed candle. So my bias is bullish, or my bias is bearish right now. But let's see what happens here. Yeah, so my bias is bearish here. So now the 10 a.m., I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts. What do we have here? We have a 15-minute order block right here. Why is this 15-minute order block good, right? We took out liquidity. We took out liquidity here. So this order block is very good for me, right? So inside of this 15-minute order block, there should be a 5-minute or lower order block, right? So what do we have here? What do we have? What do we have? What do you have? We could go like a 2-minute here. We're probably gonna come up to this order block up here, but it's about it's a probability game, bro. It's a probability game, bro. So let's see what happens here. I want to see price. I'll just go ahead and enter a CE of this wick, or of CE of this order block. If you can't find one, just enter off CE, bro. If you can't find a lower time frame order block, just enter off CE, bro. Fuck it, just enter off CE, bro. So this was my order block. We could get stopped out because we do have SMT here. Let's see what happens here. We probably just get like a nice little quick scalp here, but fuck, I knew it, bro. I fucking knew it. We're probably gonna go higher here. Yeah, so right now we're disrespecting bullish order flow or bearish order flow. So I'm looking for longs. Longs, chat. Longs. This was just a classic 10 a.m. reversal, bro. It was just a classic 10 a.m. reversal, bro. Classic 10 a.m. reversal. If for you, I'll try. Why am I taking this trade? Why am I taking this long? Q, why are you taking this long, Q? Because I'm bullish order flow. Bullish order flow, chat. Drop it down to the 15-minute. We have a 15-minute order block. Vice versa, a 15-minute rejection block. We took out the slow. And now we're just entering off CE. And now this is a nice order block too. So we'll see what happens here. Let's see. Can we get a nice reaction off of here? Perfect. We bottom tick this shit. Where could we target? We do have like this this high here. We do have a fair value gap right here that we just disrespected. I'll go break even here. Actually, no, I'll put my stops at this low. We should not come back down to this low. Damn it, bro. I'm still bullish though. It's probably just a retracement to this 15 for this hourly gap. No way. Bro, I think I am washed. I am washed, bro. Why shouldn't you go back to that low? You're like, why? What do you mean? What do you mean, man? I mean, structure was bullish. That's the thing. Like, structure was bullish, bro. We shouldn't come back to the slope because basically this is our order block here. This is our order block. Plus we took out the low here. So now this is also our rejection block and an order block here. Confirm your order block with something else because you are too many order blocks you see. The only order blocks that I'm looking for are order blocks that tap liquidity or tap a fair value gap. That's the only those are the only order blocks that I'm looking at. Bro, just learn quarterly theory. I'll teach you. You have a 70% win 1 to 5 R. Bro, I tried quarterly theory once, bro. I sucked at it. I just sucked at it. Well, 30 minute huge rejection block. I see. Yes, 30 minute did have a huge rejection block. But we had no SMT. That's why I was like, we had no SMT. That's the only reason why. All right, so let's go here. Mark out the 1800 open. 1800 open down here. So are we respecting bullish or bearish order blocks? Technically, this candle is still the range. We're just consolidating inside of this range. So technically, perhaps you could say we are still bullish here. So I'm looking for longs. I'm gonna wait here. Okay, we have this sweep. Wait, actually, no, I'll just wait here. I'm not confident. Okay, wait, so that's what I figured. All right. All right, I'm gonna enter here. Wait, no, I'm gonna enter our CE of this wick. Our CE of this order block. Of this 5 minute order block. No way. We just tapped this. Oh my gosh. Am I just wrong? Am I just wrong? Yeah, we should have gone bearish here. Oh, unfortunate, bro. I mean, longs here weren't a bad idea. I think I just got stopped out. Like, there's a fair value gap here. That could have been smart. On 2 minute, we had a 2 minute. Like, it was so... Ooh, oof, oof. Technically we did tap this order block. 15 minute. Go 30 minute, actually. 30 minute order block. Etc. Okay, maybe you should help me more if you use order flow, then look at what the market reacted more. Order block for value gap. Fair enough, yeah. Fair enough, yeah. Makes sense. I mean, technically here, we did reject off a lot of fair value gaps, so that makes sense. You'll see what makes more sense in the moment if it's bad order blocks. Gotcha, gotcha. But guys, I'm going to end the stream here. We will be streaming tomorrow morning. I will be here tomorrow morning, hopefully. My sleep schedule is kind of cooked, but I will be here tomorrow morning. And yeah. Hopefully we can bank, make some money, get a payout before February. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all tomorrow.